Unlock the power of 6 Stoic principles to effortlessly make others yearn for your presence. By cultivating resilience and independence, you draw them closer with a magnetic aura. Face challenges with composure, showcasing grace and strength, and reflect on personal growth, aligning choices with core values. Develop emotional intelligence for mindful interactions, deepening connections. Embracing these Stoic ideals will make others long for your essence and company, enhancing your relationships and personal fulfillment. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Now, let's start. 1. Inner peace through Stoic values. Achieving inner peace through Stoic values involves fortifying emotional fortitude and directing focus towards the realm of our influence in relationships. By embracing a Stoic outlook, one can augment emotional equilibrium and navigate relationships with tranquility and lucidity. Stoicism underscores the significance of upholding emotional steadiness by not permitting external circumstances to govern our internal equilibrium. Nurturing emotional resilience through Stoic customs empowers us to engage in relationships from a place of resilience and firmness. By concentrating on what falls within our sphere of control in relationships, we can sidestep needless stress and discord, paving the way for a more harmonious connection with others. A pivotal tenet of the Stoic mindset is learning not to hinge our happiness solely on external sources. This autonomy fosters a sense of self-assurance and inner serenity, liberating us from the whims of external approval. Embracing transformation and adversities with equanimity stands as another cornerstone of Stoicism in attaining emotional stability. By acknowledging the inevitability of change and confronting challenges with resilience, we can traverse the realm of relationship dynamics with poise and vigor. In essence, embracing Stoic virtues can lead to a profound sense of inner peace and emotional equilibrium in relationships. By integrating Stoic disciplines into our daily lives, we can cultivate a mindset that nurtures emotional resilience and nurtures wholesome bonds with others. As Epictetus wisely remarked, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." 2. Building emotional resilience. In developing emotional resilience, focus on what lies within your sphere of control and embody the Stoic ideals to confront life's uncertainties with unwavering resolve. Strengthening emotional resilience involves fostering steadfastness through practices that nurture inner tranquility and detachment from external forces. By embracing Stoic virtues, you can confront challenges with equanimity and flexibility, fostering a sense of rootedness in the face of life's perpetual flux. Emotional resilience stands as a cornerstone of mental well-being, stress management, and overall contentment. It serves as a vital component in sustaining meaningful relationships and effectively surmounting diverse obstacles life presents. Through consistent introspection and mindfulness exercises, you can refine emotional regulation and fortify your capacity to rebound from adversity. Stoicism advocates for embracing life's adversities gracefully and recognizing change as an inherent facet of existence. By cultivating emotional resilience, you fortify yourself to weather life's trials and tribulations. This resilience not only bolsters your welfare, but also equips you to confront challenges with a sense of inner stability and fortitude. Embodying the Stoic principles of resilience empowers you to navigate life's uncertainties with conviction and strength, as Epictetus wisely noted. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. 3. Independence in relationships. Embracing emotional independence in relationships is a key virtue that fortifies the soul and bolsters one's resilience in the face of life's challenges. As Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, wisely said, "Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens." By focusing on what we can control, our own emotions and reactions, we cultivate a sense of inner strength that transcends external circumstances. Setting clear boundaries and honing effective communication skills are foundational pillars of emotional independence. By delineating our needs and expectations with clarity and grace, we establish a harmonious balance between self-sufficiency and interconnectedness. This harmony enriches our relationships, fostering a sense of mutual respect and understanding. Stoicism teaches us to find contentment within ourselves, rather than relying on others for validation or happiness. By nurturing our inner wellspring of tranquility and self-reliance, we approach relationships from a place of abundance rather than neediness. This abundance allows us to engage authentically with others, enriching our connections with depth and sincerity. In cultivating emotional independence, we equip ourselves with the tools to navigate the ebb and flow of relationships with equanimity and grace. By prioritizing our own growth and self-mastery, we forge a solid foundation of resilience that empowers us to weather storms without losing sight of our inner compass. This steadfastness not only benefits our individual well-being, but also enhances the quality of our connections, imbuing them with a sense of authenticity and strength. 4. Accepting life's challenges. Gracefully, embracing life's challenges with composure is a cornerstone of Stoicism, as it teaches us to face adversity with inner strength and resilience. As Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This quote encapsulates the Stoic belief that our response to challenges shapes our character and ultimately determines our peace of mind. Stoicism reminds us that difficulties are an inevitable part of life, and by accepting this reality, we can cultivate a mindset that allows us to navigate through turbulent times with grace. Rather than being overwhelmed by obstacles, Stoics teach us to focus on what is within our control and to let go of what is not. This shift in perspective enables us to approach challenges with a sense of equanimity and adaptability, fostering emotional resilience and tranquility in the face of adversity. 5. Cultivating self-reflection. Cultivating self-reflection in Stoicism requires a disciplined practice of examining one's thoughts, emotions, and actions to attain self-awareness. By diving into the depths of our minds, we can elevate emotional clarity and nurture personal development. Through introspection, we gain profound insights into our reactions and behaviors, unveiling the roots of our habits, beliefs, and values. In the words of Epictetus, "Know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly." This wisdom underscores the importance of aligning our choices with our core values as a cornerstone of self-reflection. By constantly assessing our deeds against our principles, we ensure congruence between our actions and our deeply held beliefs. This alignment not only cultivates tranquility within, but also fortifies our emotional fortitude when confronted with adversities. Regular self-reflection empowers us to respond thoughtfully to life's challenges, fostering a state of mindful engagement. This mindful presence not only alleviates distress, but also enriches our interactions with others. By honing self-awareness and emotional intelligence, we lay the groundwork for profound personal evolution and a more meaningful existence. Therefore, take the time to look within, unravel the mysteries of your inner self, and witness the blossoming of your journey towards self-improvement. 6. Mindfulness in interactions. Embrace the practice of mindfulness in your interactions to nurture your relationships and forge deeper emotional bonds with others. By immersing yourself fully in conversations and engaging in active listening, you exhibit genuine concern and compassion, elevating the quality of your exchanges. Through the application of mindfulness techniques, you anchor yourself in the present moment, fostering profound connections with those you interact with. Integrating mindfulness into your interactions empowers you to develop emotional intelligence by attentively observing non-verbal cues and emotions, both within yourself and in others. This heightened sensitivity equips you to respond with greater efficacy and empathy, paving the way for conflict resolution and a more tranquil atmosphere. In moments of discord, mindful reactions are paramount in addressing issues by fostering comprehension and empathy. By remaining present and attuned to the sentiments of all parties involved, you can navigate disagreements with a lucid perspective and strive towards mutually beneficial resolutions. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." Embrace this wisdom in your interactions, allowing mindfulness to guide your words and actions towards deeper connections and harmonious relationships. In conclusion, incorporating these Stoic principles into your daily life can not only help you find inner peace and emotional resilience, but also make you irresistible to others. By focusing on independence, acceptance, self-reflection, and mindfulness, you can create a presence that others will miss dearly when you're not around. Embrace these principles and watch as those around you can't help but long for your company. Stoic values truly are the key to making them miss you badly. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss our future content on self-improvement and philosophical insights.